Now, as you can see here, let me explain how to create an AI travel map using the CapCut app on your smartphone easily. First, you open the CapCut app on your smartphone. Then you navigate to the Alt plus Tools section, where you will proceed to find and select the desired options carefully. Look for the AI poster option and tap it. As you can see here, a window will pop up. In this window, carefully type in your prompt exactly as needed to proceed smoothly with your project. Now type in your prompt carefully. After that, you will select the aspect ratio that suits your project needs. Make sure to choose the right one, as you can see here, for the best results. Now that you've chosen your preferred aspect ratio, you might wonder where to find the theme for your project. So let's exit this and explore further options. Now, let's leave CapCut and enter ChatGPT. Once inside ChatGPT, we will type our request. Specifically, we can ask it to help generate ideas or themes for our project to enhance our creative process and inspire us further. Now, carefully write your prompt, ensuring it includes AI travel map and details about your needs to maximize its effectiveness. You've written it out. Now let's return right here to CapCut, this handy program where you can create amazing content. You've input your prompt, and now as you can see here, simply press the Generate button and you will be presented with a beautifully generated image right away. Thank you all for watching, wishing everyone good luck, and see you next time.